All right, let's answer this question before us here. So it's question 20. It says, a music school has $80,000 to invest in a perpetuity. The interest earned from this perpetuity will provide an annual prize of $3,000 to a talented musician from the school. What annual interest rate would be required for this investment? So you need to have a robust understanding of what a perpetuity is. Remember, a perpetuity is when you're putting in like $80,000 in this case, and that's the principal amount, and you're actually never going to touch that principal. You're simply going to remove out of the account the interest that is earned on that principal amount. So the principal remains the same. It's the interest that you're taking out. So what we need to figure out is like, all right, well, what is the annual interest rate going to be if every year you are taking out $3,000? And hopefully just by me saying it like that, it's pretty clear what you have to do. You simply have to figure out what is 3,000 over 80,000. So to say it another way, you've got $80,000 in there. You're timesing it by some interest rate that we don't know. And you know that the interest that you earn at the end of that year is going to be $3,000 because that's how perpetuity works. If this is what you're taking out, it has to be the money that you've earned. So it's 3,000. So all you have to do here is go, what's 3,000 over 80,000 to get your answer? So you can quickly come here and go, all right, 3,000 over 80, 1, 2, 3. And just like that, you have to make sure to hit Control, Enter. It's going to be that. If you need, you can times it by 100, but hopefully you can just read that off. It's going to be 3.75%. And that's it. That's how you do it. So you can really just do this in one step, do that, and you're done. And that's exactly what our examiner's report tells us here. The entire interest earned is withdrawn whenever it is credited to a perpetuity. The account balance neither increases nor decreases. Therefore, the interest earned on 80,000 is 3,000 per year at a rate given by 3,000 over 80,000, which is this. So that's how you do it. So that is the quickest and most efficient way of answering that question. And of course, you should be aiming to do these things in the quickest and most efficient way. What I fear that some people may do instead is come to their finance solver, which you can do, but you're going to burn through a little bit of time here. But let's go through it anyway, just so you understand how it works on this finance solver. But again, the way that we've done it here is far superior, I believe. I'm talking very formally in this video. All right, let's keep on going. So n, it doesn't matter. We can say it's 1. With the perpetuity, it doesn't matter what your n is. We keep on going. My interest rate is what I don't know, so we'll leave that blank. My present value is going to be minus $80,000 because that's what I've put into the perpetuity. My payment, that's what I'm receiving. So I'm receiving $3,000. And my future value, again, my principal doesn't change. So I've put in 80,000. It's going to remain as 80,000. Now it's the annual interest rate. So that's going to stay as 1 and 1. So now I'm just going to come to my interest and hit enter, 3.75. I would argue that that is a lot slower than doing it this way. But as long as you understand how both ways work, you'll be golden. All right, I'll see you later.